Welcome back, y'all, with Lonnie and
AJ.
And teacher say hi.
Hi, everyone.
Okay, AJ, today you have a toy. Can you show me your toy?
Yes, it's called toolbox.
Can you lift it up a little bit more? STEM toolkit. So let's see.
Yeah, I gotta open it.
Oh, wow.
I told you.
Okay, what is that?
This is goggles,
That's a goggle. What is that?
hammer,
A hammer,
and a screwdriver,
a screwdriver,
and a tape measure,
tape measure,
and drill.
a drill, and what else? We got the little small pieces. Oh, what was the little small things? What are these?
Screwdrivers.
This goes in the screwdriver?
Yeah.
Do you know the name of it?
I don't know. Okay, look.
And what are those?
I don't know.
Those are called the nails.
See this? A wrench.
Yep, that's a wrench. Adjustable wrench.
And
Woods.
you see that? Woods are harder. When you bend these are the woods. Any woods. And these how you put the parts together.
And what else do you have? It fell.
Yeah.
What else do you have? Yeah, something else. What's the red thing for? I see some black bolts. What's the black bolts at?
Right here.
Okay, and what are the red?
Right here.
What are those? Okay, you gonna put on the goggles? Do you know what the goggles for?
Yeah.
What is the goggles for? Yes, to protect your eyes.
Yes.
You put it on right? Let me see. Oh, hold the drill. It has battery.
Yeah. Look, you see that? This one go up and then this one goes down. See that? That's the buttons on the side.
Let me see the buttons on the side.
Yeah,
Let me see.
buttons. You see that?
Which one make it go? Which button makes it go? The big one?
Yeah.
Let me see.
No.
And the small one.
Yeah, very small.
You keep turning it too quick. Oh,
I told you it works.
okay. Can you put some in there? I think you need to use something to drill it, like this.
I need to put the goggles on.
Can I see the tape measure? Uh-oh. What's the tape measure? Can you measure the wood? How do you measure it?
This.
Oh, wow.
Aha! 7 meters.
7 meters.
Yes. It's tall. Very tall. Very, very tall.
Let me see. Where's the 7 meters at?
Like this.
Oh, wow. 7 inches.
Yeah. Small.
Can you adjust the wrench? Let me see how you adjust the wrench.
This?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna put this back.
Okay.
This is how I do it.
That's how you do it? Okay, let's try to give TT a toy to play with, AJ.
The wheels are dangerous. The cameras are dangerous. Here, this is for her.
Okay, that's more safe for TT.
Yes.
Oh, TT's going for the dangerous drill. Oh, she's fixing the drill. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.
Au revoir.
TT, can you say bye-bye? TT, say bye-bye. Oh, she gave kiss. Kiss, TT.
Now she's working.